Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here again. I'm Pablito Garcia with a Z. I hope you guys liked last week's video. I had a lot of fun creating this project, and this week is not gonna be different. I went to IKEA and bought some stuff there, and I also ordered some raffia online, and I just got creative. I hope you guys like the projects that I'm gonna do. They're very simple. Stay with me, and if you like me and if you like what I'm doing, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Pablito Garcia Home, Garcia with a Z. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Have an amazing time. Today we're gonna be using raffia. I don't really know what raffia is, but this is what it looks like. Also today we're gonna be braiding a lot, mostly just basic braids. So here I just tied a knot on top and started braiding. Once you're done with your braid, you just tie a knot on the other end, and this is what it should look like. I actually wanted this braid to be 80 centimeters long because I wanted it to go 3 times around this vase. This vase is a basic vase from IKEA. It cost €1, so very inexpensive. Now, I wanted this to go 3 times around, and I wanted that the braids meet on the front, but I wanted that both braids come from up, if that makes sense, as I'm gonna show here. So I just crossed it behind. Now, to tie it together, just slide a piece of raffia under the whole 3 strands or the whole braid, and just create a double knot. And after that, just slide the knot behind the braid, just trying to hide it. And then you're gonna cut the excess and adjust as needed. Now this DIY is very simple, but I think it's very pretty, and it gives me these beach house vibes. Now it's time for our second DIY project. For this project, you're gonna need a 20 centimeters mirror, some raffia, some scissors, and a measuring tape. I wanted my tassels to be 10 centimeters. So I measured my raffia and started folding back and forth, holding both of the edges. I didn't know it was gonna be this time consuming. You guys, I spent 7 minutes just creating one tassel. Now, when you're done going back and forth, to create the top of the tassel, you're gonna grab the rest, go around the top of the tassel, and get your rest of the raffia through, but from under upward. Then you just pull it to make it tight, and you cut the excess. After 2 tassels, I was feeling very hungry, so I ordered some pizza. And after 20 hours of making tassels,
I finally finished 30. Now we're gonna create our hanger. You're gonna create a braid or make a braid, and you're gonna glue it on to the mirror. Now to attach the tassels, you just go back in with the hot glue gun and you just stick them to the hot glue, as I'm showing right now in the video. Now, to give the whole thing a polished look, I went back and created another braid to go around the edges of the mirror, and I think this looks very cool. And again, beachy vibes.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending time with me. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. And follow me on Instagram at Pablito Garcia Home.
I know, I just announced a third project, but I thought it was too much footage and the video was gonna be around 20 minutes. So I decided to create a part 2. Stay tuned!
Garcia with a Z. I hope you guys had fun.
Yeah, and this is about the shortest outro ever because I was rambling about how much I loved the 3 projects that I created and I only showed you 2. So, yeah, here it is.
I hope you have an amazing day and stay creative. Now the lighting's changing. Now the lighting's back. I'm Pablito Garcia, Garcia with a Z.